get all the emojis. I'm probably going to be looking down at my phone a lot because I haven't memorized these in order. Whoops! Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different on my channel. This is not the emoji challenge, just getting this straight. Instead, I'm going to be doing something that's called How Emojis Sound to Me. So if you don't know what emojis are, they're found on the Apple devices, and they're like little like emojis, like they have like faces and like personalities and like ways that they're expressed. And I'm going to be showing you guys today how emojis sound to me, or like when my friends text them to me, what I'm thinking that they sound in my head. Now this is different for everybody, but this is how emojis sound to me. So let's get started. Hee ha! Alrighty. Bad girl, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when I come for you? Bad girl, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when I come for you? Okay, those are all like Miley Cyrus emojis right there. I'm the devil. Well then, Ugh. Meow. 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 I'm a boy. I'm a girl. I'm a man. I am a woman. Garacha, like a garacha, like a garacha, like a garacha. All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies. I can't sing, by the way, so yeah. Oh. Oh, my dear. Da 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 da. Ho ho! Merry Christmas! Oh my God. I don't even know what that was. Boop. No. Yes. Woo. Excuse me. Haircut time. Oh yeah. Oh, that feels good. I'm touching my head. Hi. Peace out. Up, down, this way, that way. Talk to the hand. Alrighty. Strong. Real fist. Hallelujah. Hit. But Queen Bee right here, y'all. Laugh. Boom, 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 boom. I'm running. I'm walking. La 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 la. Oh Romeo. Oh Juliet. Bullseye. Woo. Do 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 do. Da 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 circus. Da 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 Afro circus. Afro circus. Afro da 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 Afro. Meow. Row. Row. Glub 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 glub. sneezing panda. Have you ever seen that video? Well, if you haven't, link is down below. Wow. Ka-ching, 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 ka-ching. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this. This was a lot of fun to do. If you want to see more of this, then comment down some more emojis you want me to maybe impression. Well guys, always remember emojis are people too, and when in the spotlight, strut your stuff. See you guys next week. Bye! I wonder if I should do that thing where every YouTuber do, like they like put their hand into the camera. I don't know if I should do that. Comment below if you want me to do this at the end. Whoop!